Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now select Bluetooth and click on this switcher to activate it. After that, click on Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show. Now you need to click on the one that you wish to connect to, wait for the pop-up and select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to the device and tap on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!